Guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's video I want to steam my face. I've been having a lot of breakouts on my face, and I think it's best I steam my face so that the products I'm using to clear the acne and pimples will be able to work. That is the main reason I want to steam my face, because steaming the face helps to open up your pores, so that the products you are using on your face can actually work better. All right, so let me just show you all what my face looks like. You see, this is a close-up of what my face looks like. There are tiny pimples on my face. So that is the reason why I want to steam my face. So guys, I'll be showing you all how to do that. I already have my bucket here. And this and this is methylated spirit. That is what I'll be using to clean my face after steaming it. All right, and my water is already boiling inside. I'll go and get it now. So guys, I have poured the hot water into the bucket, and this water is very hot. So I folded this wrapper into two so that it is going to accumulate heat. Heat is not going to be escaping from anywhere. This water is so hot, so it's advisable to dip your face and bring it up at intervals. That is what I was doing, because the water is so hot and I wasn't able to breathe properly inside the hot water. So I was dipping my face and bringing it up at intervals so that I'm going to breathe properly. So guys, I just brought up my face because the water is so hot. So steaming your face is actually very beneficial if you have an oil skin or acne prone skin. It is advisable to steam your face like once in a month, so that you are going to open up your pores, clear off dirt, and also melt some oils that are clogging your pores. All right, so this is me raising up my face again. At this point I'm actually sweating, guys. I'm sweating. But what will I do? I really want to get rid of acne from my face, because my face is no longer looking smooth. It is very rough. So I decided to do the steaming so that my products that I'm using for acne will be able to work properly. All right, I actually did this for approximately 8 minutes. You can do it from 5 to 10 minutes if you want to, but I actually did it for 8 minutes. So guys, I was done with the steaming process and I am sweating so much here. So guys, I'm done steaming my face. As you can see, I'm sweating, like I'm sweating. So I'll go ahead and wipe off my face using this before I put the methylated spirit. So this is how much dirt I could clean off using the cotton wool without any methylated spirit. So I went ahead to collect a little amount of cotton wool again, but this time I'm using the methylated spirit with it. So I dipped it and I soaked it with the methylated spirit and started cleaning my face with it. So guys, this is the amount of dirt I could clean off using the methylated spirit. You can see that comparing it with the one I used without the methylated spirit, it is very much. You can see the difference, all right? So I'll go ahead and apply this spot remover cream that I bought from the market. That is what I've been using, and it is almost finishing. So that is what I'll be using to moisturize my face. So guys, we are done for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, like this video, and also comment if you have steamed your face before or you're about to do that. Let me know in the comment section. All right, if you have done it before, also let me know how your face felt after using it. All right, so thanks for watching this video. Subscribe so that you don't miss any of my next upload. All right, bye.